Well, the trial of Rick Chow is moving forward. Just hours ago, a Richland County judge making that decision. Now, it's the case involving Rick Chow, the gas station owner who's accused of killing 14-year-old Cyrus Carmack Belton back in 2023. Today, the judge denied multiple defense motions, including one to postpone next month's trial. News 19's Kiki Gushu was in court today. She's joining us live in studio to break down what happened. Kiki, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Christy, Erica, attorneys argued key issues today in the case against Rick Chow, the convenience store owner charged in the 2023 shooting death of 14-year-old Cyrus Carmack Belton outside the gas station Chow owned. Today, attorneys argued three key issues that could have delayed or changed the course of this trial. Take a look.
The trial of Rick Chow will take place as scheduled. That's after a judge denied several motions by the defense, including a request by his attorneys for a continuance. Chow's lawyers argued they need more time to investigate, including the history of a gun found at the crime scene, and to address other factors like media coverage, scheduling conflicts, and a need to gather more evidence for their defense.
You have to follow it up because how he got the gun, why he had the gun, who he got the gun from, we think is very critical in this case.
Prosecutors pushed back, saying the case has been active for years and should move forward for the victim's family as well as Chow.
All in all, Mr. Sorrell and the defense team has had this case on 886 days.
The judge ultimately said no to giving the defense more time, citing the age of the case and a need to come to a resolution.
We need to have a heavy emphasis on our 3-year and older cases.
Chow is accused of shooting Belton after chasing him outside of his gas station. After the killing of Belton, there was a public outcry, and the case got extensive coverage locally and even made some national headlines. The defense asked to be able to give potential jurors a written questionnaire to try and determine what jurors may have heard about the case. It's something done in federal cases, but not state trials. But Chow's legal team said it was needed, pointing to extensive media coverage and discussion around the case.
When you're in a situation right now, you don't have a chance to do some individual voir dire with the jury because of the nature of publicity.
Judge Taylor denied that request as well, citing the questionnaire as a federal procedure.
The authority when in the court rules, that's done in the Supreme Court. So I'm going to respectfully deny that motion.
With all defense motions denied, the case remains on track for trial, scheduled for May 25th, 2026.
Months ago, the judge also denied a request for Chow's to argue the stand your ground defense, meaning he had a right to defend himself in that situation and to stop chasing after Belton. After adjournment, I spoke with off camera with the father of Cyrus Carmack Belton, who says he is happy with the result of today's hearing and the solicitor's office and ready to see justice for his son. Reporting live in studio, Kiki Gushu, News 19, WLTX.
Alrighty, Kiki, thank you so much for keeping us informed on that big story.